So, honeybee.
Now this. So what happens, in a daytime,
Okay.
nearly 40% bees are always out for the work.
Yeah.
So colony is not that strong.
Okay.
After sunset, all bees are in.
Okay.
Now it's almost 100% bees are there inside.
Okay.
So they become little aggressive, but still I will open and show you. They will not come out and sting, don't worry.
Okay.
But if we disturb them, they can. So there are 3 types of bees. Workers.
Okay.
What do you think, worker bees are male or female?
Male.
No, all worker bees are female.
Female.
Yeah. In this, at least in honeybees, all worker bees are female.
Okay.
Then there are male.
Okay.
Difficult to see. You can turn on a light, mobile light. Maybe let's see. I will show you male. How
It will fly, right? If you
No.
give the nuts.
Huh? No, they will not fly.
Okay.
But I want to see whether I want to show you male. Can you mobile?
Sure.
Male are black and bigger in size.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see one over there.
Where?
Girpara hai tapla.
Can't see male. But male are there.
Okay.
So male are only for reproduction. Once them finish,
Okay.
all worker bees kill them
Okay.
and throw them out. Because they eat honey which is collected by them.
Okay.
And there's one queen in each colony. So altogether 3 types of bees are there. So this, we know honey bees means they collect honey, but they have to do 6 jobs in 6 weeks. So their life is only 6 weeks. And every week queen shuffles that job. Queen will change. So queen leave one smell called pheromone. From the smell they understand what they have to do. So job can be to go and find out source of a nectar in a nature. When they find source, come here, make a wiggle dance.
Okay.
To give them distance and direction, how far and where to go.
Wiggle dance.
Wiggle dance like this. So they understand distance and direction, how far and where to go. Bees which collect nectar, they never store. They vomit it, go again. Young generation which cannot fly, they get inside job. They drink that nectar and store. So in this process what happens, nectar goes in 2 times and come out 2 times. That's why honey never considered as a vegan food. Some Jain community, Jain people, they never eat honey. But honey is the best antiseptic also. Then some bees will come and sting us, soldiers bees. Some bees will make a honeycomb inside. Some will make ventilation in afternoon time, just a flapping 4 wings, say, fanning for the colony. In afternoon time. These are 6 jobs are given to them. This queen got some unique things like when mating season come, queen want to mate with stronger male. So that strong generation will born.
Right.
But there can be hundreds of male. How she can choose strong male? So what she does, she make one noise and start to fly up as much as she can. Noise is invitation.
Okay.
Hundreds of male follow her. Whoever reaches first get chance. The strongest will reach first. But she will mate with 12 to 15 male one by one until her body get full. Male which mate there will die immediately. Those who survive come here, worker kill them. Anyway, they have to die. But can you imagine what is the reason why those males should die there itself? What can be the reason?
There is no use of after that.
Yeah, but anyway, the worker will kill them here. But why they should die there itself?
Another chance. They can't mate again or?
Yeah, with another queen. So what happened after mating with that queen while coming back? If we see another queen, he can run behind another queen. Genes will be mixed. Loyalty. So they never change their house. It's because of this reason. Father are different.
Men being always loyal.
Or man is a man.
Man is the man.
Usually there are female.
That's a male can go behind another queen. That's why in human beings, marriage systems are done to be loyal with each other. Idhar udhar na bhage. And then queen come back, give eggs for whole life. 800 to 1000 eggs every day for 3 years, only for one time mating. So one uniqueness of this mother is she is pregnant for whole life. Nobody is like this.
Yes.
And second uniqueness, this mother can say, I'm not delivering baby today. I will wait for 1 month and then I will decide. Or no mother can control. On earth, there are 7 mother which can control giving birth. So this queen, termites, scorpion female and chameleon female will keep sperm in a body and she use it whenever she want from that. Their belly is like a refrigerator. And giraffe, kangaroo, and crabs female will deliver the babies, keep in the pouch, say the conditions, and then deliver.
They only decide.
Yeah, they decide whenever they want to deliver. So our women should get this uniqueness. Get pregnant and stay maybe for 2 years, don't deliver.
They'll choose that one only. If they have.
But there are 7 mothers which can do it. So this queen will stop.
Die, huh?
If there is no place in a colony, she will stop. If there is no food in the nature for the eggs, she will stop.
Okay.
Now your question. Queen never give birth to any species, just to the egg.
Okay.
Worker decide what to make from that egg. So to make a worker bee from the egg, they feed royal jelly for 2 days. Royal jelly is another food which comes from their second stomach. Worker bees have 2 stomachs. To make a worker bee 2 days, to make a male 6 days, and to make a queen 12 to 15 days. So the particular egg they will choose, they feed royal jelly there for 15 days, and that will born as a queen. It's a food of royal people. That's why it's called royal jelly. But this order is given by the previous queen. Means previous queen, when she feels that she is not able to rule anymore, then she asks worker bees to pick a new queen. It is not like our politician. When new queen comes in, both queen fight. Because 2 queen can't stay in one house. After fight, weaker has to leave this kingdom.
Okay.
Winner will rule for next 1 year. Now see, there is one queen which has given so many eggs, 1 year old. Okay, lost some energy. One is very young and enthusiastic queen. So from that, which one will be weaker according to you? What do you think? Which one will be weaker queen?
The one which already gave birth to
So many eggs. Yeah. So she has already ruled for 1 year. So knew this kingdom very well. So when she leave this kingdom, best ministry of this kingdom go with her. It become easy to develop her kingdom somewhere outside. New queen has to appoint all the ministers and develop her kingdom.
Okay.
And that's why it's called colony. They work like a colonial rule. So honey is the closest food to the blood. Only one food which turns into blood immediately after eating. So after eating honey, that will turn immediately into blood. That's why honey helps to increase hemoglobin from the blood very fast. So other food have lot of process inside. Some will become blood, some will go out, some will here and there. But honey is a complete food.
So they say
All bees will go to work and all will come to their position.
Okay.
All colony will finish. So to move them, there is a 3 days process.
Okay.
After now, all bees are in, right after sunset. We have to move this colony out of their flying range, 2 kilometers away.
Okay.
So next day morning they cannot come here because out of the range they will start work there.
Okay.
And their memory is lost in 3 days, erased.
Okay.
So 4th day we bring that colony in the night and place them here. Next day they will not go here. They will forget this place.
Okay.
This process we have to follow just to change place of the box, or we cannot move them. Actually in South India. You know reason why it is drawn? Yeah, that was rice flour used before so that ants will eat and go back.
Yes.
Not only for ants, this is a welcome sign for the guests. So every day first job of the lady is to draw. But while drawing we don't know whether guests will come or not. Considering and hoping, because Indian culture says that welcome all the guests and treat every guest as a god. Ati Devo Bhava. So whenever any guests see this sign, they should not hesitate in a mind to enter in a house. It means you're welcome. No, you need not to say any person to welcome you. When you don't say anything here, nobody is welcome. Because somebody is sick or dead in a family, that's a message. Don't come and disturb us. But this is a meaning why we draw Rangoli. It's a welcoming sign for the guest. This house. What you call Nalikattu? No. For such house? In Tamil?
Tulasi Madam.
No, Tulsi is this plant, but this structure.
Madam.
Indian. Madam. Okay. You know reason why we plant Tulsi near house? Tulsi, you know a banyan tree?
Yes.
Bodhi tree means people ka ped. Where Buddha enlightened. A neem tree?
Yes.
So this releases maximum oxygen in the air compared to other trees. So in our culture, so now Bodhi tree, people ka ped, we can't plant near house, they grow huge. So Tulsi is planted because in our culture, people who cook food, normally ladies, they'll have bath in the morning, spend some time in a praying, means spend some time, inhale fresh air, and then start cooking. And you know, before all the cooking was done on a firewood.
Yeah.
And a firewood obviously produces carbon dioxide, and that lady inhales it, which is not healthy. To compensate her before, basil is planted near house. But if you tell that particular woman, go there and have some oxygen and then start cooking. Nobody will do. When holiness come, people emotionally attach, do it more promptly.
That should be a reason.
There should be some reason. Then only people give respect. Or if you tell your wife, go and pray, have oxygen.
Actual reason they don't.
Yeah. Yeah. So when some holiness attached, then they will start to do it. But now young generation asks the reason.
Yeah.
Then when we tell,
asking questions.
yes, questions.
Okay. Good.
People go and attend workshops in the big cities called grounding workshops and pay a lot of money there. For corporate people, it's a big thing now. But that should be from local cows, which grow in a jungle for the food, not which it processed food and dairy farm. That on cement concrete, shocks always come back. Will not break like glass at the same time. We start to break. We will feel it after some years. That's why after 60, 70, people have joint pains.
Okay.
We will not break at the same time. We start to break. We will feel it after some years.